Good afternoon. My name is Peter Parker O. Hugo from grade 11 of Badayan. Today I am with my father, Joshua Hugo. And today I'm gonna tell you our PCA on statistics. So, based on the instruction, you are a class advisor and you will be explaining how to draw conclusions. Relate drawing conclusions in real life situations by giving examples. Feel free to use examples outside our statistic class. After sharing how to draw a conclusion on a certain scenario, ask them the following questions. What's the essence of the drawing conclusion? Do you find drawing conclusion hard or easy? Why or why not? Why or when? Pretend that your family members is your advices. Record your presentation and your family's answer to the question. Maximum 5 minutes only. So I'm gonna tell you about our scenario here on number one. The scenario is in a public senior high school. A survey conducted last year by a health officer showed that 12% of the students drink alcohol. This year, a new survey was conducted randomly on 500 students from the same school. It was found that 97 of them drink alcohol. Test if the claim was higher at significant value is equal to 0.101 level. So here, my conclusion here is, therefore, we conclude that 0.01 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to the claim that the number of students who drink alcohol from the same school have increases. So I tell you that this conclusion is not enough evidence because based on our decision, since the computer test statistic Z Zapcom is equal to 5.09, it means that this this value is false in the rejection region. It means that if if it falls to rejection region, we will reject the null hypothesis. So if we reject the null if we reject the null hypothesis, it means that this, that the claim is not enough to prove that the number of the students who drink alcohol from the same school have increases. We also have to show you the computations here. We get the P is equal to 0.12, P hat is equal to 0.194, and the number of sample is 500, and the Q is equal to 0.88. The formula is P hat is equal to P all over the square root of P P open parenthesis 1 minus P closing parenthesis equal to N. So we substitute it, and then we will minus the numerator and we will divide the denominator and we will get the square root. So if we will get the square root of the denominator, we will compute and we will divide the numerator in the denominator. And then our Z Zapcom is equal to 5.09. So this is my question for you. What's the essence of drawing conclusion?
The essence of conclusion shows that there's no enough evidence to prove the claim.
That's good. Do you find drawing conclusion hard or easy?
For me, it's easy to understand your conclusion.
Thank you. That's all.